There are $5 bills out there today that are worth a ton of money and not a lot of people know what they're actually worth. In this video, we go over exactly what you need to be looking for, and we'll show you an example of someone that found a $5 bill and was able to sell it for nearly $2,500. But first, let's look at this $5 bill. Now, when you first look at it, it looks like someone just crumpled it up, but the reality is this is a printed fold error on a 1995 $5 bill. Someone got it graded and they were able to turn a $5 bill into 164 bucks. Now, when you're looking at the front of this 1988 $5 bill, you'd have no idea why it sold for $336, but you do notice something looks a bit odd on the front of the bill. That's because when you flip it over to the back, you can see that the overprints accidentally got printed on the back of this bill. So when the United States is producing paper money, the back of the bill is the first print, the front of the bill, everything that you see on the front right now, is the second print, and the third and final print is the overprint, which is actually on the back of this bill on accident. If you have an overprint on back error, you could be in for a real treat, guys, because this example sold for 336 bucks, $660 for this 1934 $5 bill. When it comes to the value of your bill, you want to make sure that you're not folding it, because that will decrease its value and condition. The less folds that your banknote has on it, the more money it's going to be worth. This example sold for $660. This is something you can do right now with this pack right here. So you could go to your local bank, pick up a pack, which is 100 $5 bills, and sell them online for more money. Now, this person right here went to their bank, spent $500 and got $500 in return, and noticed that this pack had stars in it. So you can see that the last digit in the serial number is a star. That signifies that this is a replacement note. So during the printing process, a quality control manager noticed that a specific bill had a mistake on it. So what they did was they destroyed that sheet and produced a new sheet of paper money with a star at the end of the serial number to signify it's a replacement note and to make sure that no funny business was happening like theft or anything like that. Pretty much what you need to know here is that if you go to a local bank and you get some star notes back, that could be worth a lot of money because someone turned $500 into $700. That's a free payday right there. Now, could you imagine coming across a collection or a rare $5 bill like this and being able to sell it for $780? Well, that's what this person did right here. If you have a 1928 $5 bill and it looks like this, then you're in for a treat because 780 bucks for this one. Now, when you're looking at the back of this $5 bill that sold for $2,477.77, you want to be looking at the back plate number located at the bottom right hand side of the bill. That is an internal number for the Bureau of Engraving and Printing where they produce paper money to see where that specific bill was located on the printing plate. Now, that specific number can matter sometimes when it comes to the value of your bill, but when you flip it over to the front, you can see on the bottom right hand side is the front plate number. Now, this 2017 $5 bill was produced at the Fort Worth, Texas facility. You can tell because it says FW before the front plate number. If you do not see FW anywhere on your bill, then it was produced at the Washington, D.C. facility. The reason why this one sold for $2,477.77 is because it is a rare serial number. The serial number starts with a 7 and there's a bunch of zeros afterwards. Now, in our opinion, we think this is a bit inflated. Typically, a serial number bill like this will not sell for this much money. However, this is a genuine sale on eBay, and once again, it sold for nearly $2,500 bucks. If you enjoyed this video, then smash that subscribe button. We'll see you in the next one.